Hey folks, I'm doing a little bit of a different video this time. I'm doing an actual unboxing. I went out and I bought myself a camera from Amazon. It's a cheap $159 camera, and we'll see how good this thing is. Packaging is really small, so we'll see what's in it. So let's get started. Okay, we'll open up the box here. Got the camera out. That's all that was in that box. Here's the camera. Wow, digital life. Very small. And inside we have the instruction manual. We have a remote control wire. We have a different assortment of lenses. Power. There's the microphone. It's got to be a battery. And the camera comes in a nice little case. Open it up. And there it is. Wow, it is tiny. It fits in your hand. Okay, back to the camera. So on the back here you have a little flap that opens up. Inside you have a jack for your microphone, HDMI, and USB. In the bottom is where your battery goes and your memory card. Go on the bottom here. This camera came with two batteries. There's one installed and one right here. You got your I don't know what they'd be called, your nut for a tripod. And on top you have controls for zooming in and out and your modes. Your microphone will go on here. Nice little screen with buttons on the side here. It's a really small screen. It's supposed to be touch screen. So it's not a bad looking camera. We'll have to see what the video quality's like. So I'll charge it up and see what it looks like. So I'll get back to you. Okay, well, this is what the picture looks like at 1080p, 60 frames per minute, and we'll go for a walk and see what it looks like. Messy kitchen. Out into the yard. Looking good so far. Oh, it's bright out here. Barely see the screen and the brightness. But this is my train set. Or everybody that watches my YouTube channel. THMB line, backyard railroader. This is my train. This is the whole reason I bought this camera, is to do some filming. This is the work I've done out here so far. Zoom feature. Zoom back in here. See how well it does. Back out. See what it looks like over here. A little getting used to looking at the camera and not the screen. I keep looking over at the screen to see the picture, but looks really good. So I don't know, I think I like it. I think I might keep it. Well, we'll see on my next video. I'll be using it to do my new video of upgrading the backyard railroad. So you'll see what it looks like then. Until then, I'll talk to you later. Bye now.